47. Now in this paper number 47 CHSL, question numbers 26 to 50, reasoning section. Now first question number 26. Now two cars A and B and starts at the same time. And car A runs 11 kilometers south. Now let us take this is car A. Now this car A, how many kilometers? 11 kilometers south. Then turns to the left and runs 19 kilometers. And car B, 11 kilometers towards west. From here, 11 kilometers towards west and turns 5 kilometers. Find the shortest distance between. Now these two are starting from the same point, isn't it? As these two are starting at the same point, this is the starting point of this B. From here, now this car B runs 11 kilometers west and followed by 5 kilometers towards right. Then find the shortest distance between both these two cars. Now the final destination of car A is here and car B is here. Now we need to find out the distance between these two. Tell me what is the total distance we have between these two? Majapan? Sorted, 19 plus 11. 19 plus 11 is how much? Now 19 is what? Now this 19 and 11. These two are the horizontal distances. Now 19 plus 11 is 30. And next one, vertical distance 5 and 11. 5 and 11 is how much? 16. Now what is the total distance we have? 30 square 900 and next one 16, that is 256. Now the sum of these two. Now 1156. Now 1156. Now 1156 is the square root of what? 34. 34, that is choice 2. Clear? 1156 is the square root of 34 and choice 2. This is the shortest distance between these two cars A and B. Then coming to question number 27. Now P is shorter than R. Now this R is here, P is shorter than R, but P is taller than S. And T is taller than what? T is taller than P, but shorter than R. T is taller than P, but shorter than R. T is taller than P, but shorter than R means T must be in between R and P. Then R is not as tall as W. That means R is not as tall as W. W must be the tallest. Based on the given information, who is the third tallest? Who is the third tallest here? T. T, that is choice 3, 27. Then next one, 28. Now in this question number 28, given equations are solved on the basis of a certain system, find the answer for the unsolved question. What is your answer here? 55. Allows 55. Now 7 into 6, 42 plus 7 plus 6. That means product of these two is added to the sum of these two. 7 into 6, 42 plus 13, 55. 9 into 8, 72. Plus 9 plus 8, 17. 72 plus 17, 89. And in the same way, 5 into 19, 95. Plus 19 plus 5, 24. 119, that is choice 1, question number 28. The next one, question number 29. It is based on mirror image. Now in this mirror image, tell me what is your answer in this case? My answer is mirror image. Now to this, B. Now a mirror is placed like this, hence B, which is first from the left hand side, must be B from the right hand side. Right hand side B. K cannot be like this, isn't it? B, K, U, C, L, then 3 and 1. 3 and 1 saripotunda leda? Hence what is your answer? Choice 4 is your answer. Now choice 1, are you getting the same answer or not? 3. Now 1 is same as it is. Now this 1 must be reversed, that is choice 4 is the answer, 29. Then coming to question number 30. As 30, now we need to arrange all these words in the logical and meaningful order. Now first, once a person did crime, that is D, then he will be, next change is then he will get arrested and put in jail. Then the judgment will be given followed by the punishment. DCBEA is a meaningful order, that is choice 3, question number 30. Then 31st, question number 31. Now in this 31, 6 students are there seated around a circular table. All these 6 persons are facing towards the center. And 6 persons facing towards the center and 2 persons are in between P and A. And let us take A is here. 2 persons between P and A means P and A must be opposite. Q is seated second to the right of A, Q is here. and S and W are immediate neighbors of each other. And S and W, if SC is here, W is here, or SC is here, W. And there are two persons in between W and T. And that means W and T must be opposite to each other. If you take W here, W and Q are opposite but not W and T. Hence W cannot be here, SC is here, and W is here, two persons between W and T, T is here. Then what is the position of T with respect to S? Now T either second to the right or fourth to the left. And between these two, what is given? Choice for second to the right, 31. The next question number 32. Now in this 32, then select the figure that replaces the question mark in the following series. Then first, if you observe here, there is 1 into, here 2, there are 3, next we need to have 4. And 4, in all the given choices we have 4. Then coming back to this one, 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. And next one here, how many are there? 7. Here there are 5, 9, 7, 5. Next one only 3. Hence we need to have 3 intos. 3 intos that is given only in choice 1. Now there are 3 crosses here, that is choice 1, question number 32. Then 33, it is based on analogy. Now power and POWER. Then TGYQR, TGYQ and R. Yes, any answer to this? Then if you observe here, now the second letter to P, P plus 2 is what? R. R written in the reverse order. And again O plus 2 is Q, and W plus 2 is Y, E plus 2 is Z, and R plus 2 is T. Now to each of these letters, two letters are added, and then they were written in the reverse order. And in the same way, train, 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 for T plus 2 is V, R plus 2 is T, A plus 2 is C, I plus 2 is K, N plus 2 is P. PKCTV, that is choice 1, question number 33. Then 34. Now in this 34, in a family comprising of 7 persons, C is the only daughter. Now C is the only daughter, but C is the only daughter of whom? That is not given. And A is married to B. A and B are married to each other and has 2 children. A is married to B and has 2 children, C and D. And next one, E and F are married. E and F are married and have 2 children, B and G. Now E and F are married. Now these 2 persons are having 2 children, E and F, isn't it? E and F. Then how is D related to G? D related to G. Can we find out any relation here? Any gender for these persons? Gender second and Japacha? No, sir. C is the only daughter. Now in the entire family, C is the only daughter. All the remaining persons are males. And this person is the son. Again B is the son. B is the son, A is a female. And again G is again the son. Then how is D related to G? G's brother is B, brother's son, that is sibling's son, nephew, that is choice 2, question number 34. Clear now? 34. Then 35. Now in this question number 35, we need to find out the letter series here. Check out the first letters. G and L. What is the difference? We have plus 5. V and A, 22 and 27 plus 5. And 12 plus 5 is 17 plus 5, 22. And the first letter is what? First letter is Q. And these two are ruled out. Now we have left with the second, 3 and 4. Then check out the second, P and W. The value of P is how much? 16. W, 23. And 16 and 23, the difference is 7. Now 11 and 18, here again the difference is 7. And so W plus 7. 23 plus 7 is 30. 30th letter is D. And Q and D. And so choice 3, question number 35. The next one, 36, marks. MARKS, marks. And the code given to this one is NASLT. NASLNT. Then in this. Then in the same way, how is the word finger coded in this? How is the word finger coded? Now here M plus 1 is N, A remained as it is, R and S, K and L, S and T. Tell me why A has been remained as it is? Because it is a vowel. Now we have given one more example. Now P plus 1 is Q and O remained as it is because it is a vowel. R plus 1 is S, T plus 1 is U. And in the same way, finger, I and E remain in the same places. And the remaining letters for consonant plus 1, F plus 1 is Z, NO, GH, RS, GIOHES, GIOHES, that is choice 2, question number 36. 36, it is choice 2. Then 37, yes, any answer to this one, 37? And first row 29, 17, 204. What happened? 204. 17 and 204, tell me, how can you relate these two? 17 into how much is 204? 17 into 12. 17 into 12, 204 raskocha. 17 into 10, 170. 17 into 2, 34. 170 plus 34, 204. Then how will you get 12 with the help of these two numbers? 29 minus 17 is 12. Saripena? Now the difference between the first two numbers is multiplied to the second number. 29 minus 17 is how much? 12. 17 into 12, 204. 33 minus 12 is how much? 21. Now 12 into 21. And 21 into 12. Saripena leda? And next one, 39 minus 22. What is the difference who has 17? Now 22 into 17. What is that number here? And the last digit must be, and 374, that is choice 1. Clear? The difference between the first two numbers is multiplied with the second number to get the third number. Question number 37, that is choice 1. Then 38, non-verbal series. Now in this 38, check out the choices. Now first element. Then, now first element, these two arrows shifted to this place. And first element shifted to the last place. Then next one. And this element shifted to the top, this element shifted to the top, this element. That means all these elements are moving in the cyclic order from top to bottom. And they get top element coming to the first place, bottom element is going to the next higher position, and so on. Then again from here to the topmost element coming to the first place, bottom. And again all the remaining are shifted from bottom to top. And in the same way, then tell me what is your answer here. Now this element should be at the bottom. And among the given choices, that is choice 3 is the answer 38. The next one, 39th one, it is based on syllogisms. Some of the dogs or cats can be written like this or not. These are the dogs and cats. And some cats are tigers, cat and a tiger. And only a few tigers are zebras. Only some of the tigers are zebras, but not all. Only some tigers are zebras, but not all. Some dogs are zebras, that is false. All zebras can be dogs. All can be ante possibility. Now tell me whether all these zebras can be a part of this dog or not. Undacha leda? Yes? No. All these zebras is a part of dog and ela raskochu appan zebra ela raskochu, zebra ela rasu anukondi. Dog nela raskuntam. Is there any problem with this one? There is no negative statement, hence we can able to write. Can be means possibility. Then some tigers are dog, tiger is here, dog is here, no intersection between these two. Then what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2, that is choice 2, question number 39. Then next coming to 40. Now 40 chesara? Yes, 40th. Now question number 40. 14 and 19. How much is added to this one? 5 is added. And similarly, here 7 is added. Then next how much to be added? 5, 7. 5, 7 the next ante adavali. 9 add cheyochu. This is not a series. Okay? As this is not a series, we cannot add plus 5, plus 7, plus 9. Meeru ala cheptaru say mimmalni adigadu. Okay? It is not based on a series at all. Then why 5 is added to this number? Now 5 enduku add chesam? Now here 14. Now how will you get 5 with the help of 14? 1 plus 4 is 5. Sum of the digits in the number is added to the number. And similarly here, 25. What is the sum of the digits? 2 plus 5 is sum of 7. And 25 plus 7, 32. Here 103. 1 plus 0 plus 3. What is the sum? 4. Hence 103 plus 4, 107. Sum of the digits in the number is added to the number. And the answer is 107, choice 3, question number 40. Then 41. 8 and 72. Tell me how to represent this one. 8 into 9 is 72. 8 into 9. Raskocha leda? Next one 14 into 15. 210. Next one 21 into 22. Saripenda leda? Yes. Next one 17 into 18. 17 into 18. Choice 4 is the odd one. Clear? 17 into 18 is how much? 306 anukunda kada? 306. This is nothing but n square plus n. 8 square plus 8. 14 square plus 14. 196 plus 14. 210. 21 square plus 21. And 21 square 441 plus 21. 462. Now 17 square, 289 plus 17, 306 is the number. And so choice 4 is the odd one. Then coming to 42. Now in this 42, how much is 42? Fine. Now senior, and the value is how much? 164. Tell me how will you get 164 with the help of this one? then opposite. Now if you check out the place values of these letters, place value, this 164 is neither a square nor a cube, then you need to operate on the place values of the letters. S value and Japan 19, 19 plus 5, 24, 24 plus 14, 38, 38 plus 9, 47, 47 plus 15, 62, and 62 plus 18, 62 plus 18, 80. Now 80 and 164 directly cannot be related with each other, isn't it? And some of the place values is not working. Then take the opposite values of this one. My Ssc opposite letter in Japan H, and this is V, M, IR, OL, RI. What is the value of H? 8. V 22. M 13. R 18. L 12. I 9. Then sum of this. 8 plus 22 30. 30 plus 18 48. 48 plus 12 60. And 60 plus 13 73. 73 plus 9 82. Now 82, how will you get 164 with the help of 82? Into 2. Now to each of these letters, its opposite pairs, the place value, the opposite pairs were taken. Then to its sum, it is multiplied with 2. And similarly, universe. Universe is open 6, opposite letter. N ki 13, I ki 18, and E, V is 5, E is 22, R is so much 9, S is 8, and E is 52. All these are opposite values to these letters. Then sum. Sum change 22 plus 8, 30. 30 plus 22, and 52. 52 plus 18, 70. And 70 plus 9, 79. 79 plus 6, 85. And 85 plus 5, 90. 90 plus 13, 103. 103 into 2, 206 choice 3. 206, it is choice 3. Now this is about 42. Then coming to this 43. 43, it is based on sequence. Chesara sequence? No. Now if you observe here, the letters were repeated or not? T is present here, present here, present here, and so on. As the letters were repeated, then check out the total number of elements. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 25. Now this 25 can be written as 5 into 5. Hence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? That is TPO blank and C. And next one TP blank, and next one FC. And FC. Next one TPMF 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And next one TPMF and blank. The next one, and again TP blank F and C. And finally PKFC. Now if you observe here, the last element is same. First element T is same in each of this one. Second element P is same. Last element C is same. And this is F is same. Then what is the only element that is changing? L, M, N, O. And so what is your answer here? TPO, FC, TPN, FC, and so on. Then what are the missing letters? F, N, C, L, T. F, N, C, L, T, choice 1, question number 43. The next one, 44, students, players, and audience. Now, some students can be players as well as audience. Some audience can be players as well as students. Hence, what is the Venn diagram here? These are the students who can be players as well as audience. Hence, that is given in choice 2, question number 44. The next one, 45, it is based on directions here. A person starts from his house and walked for 12 meters towards east. Now, this is the starting point. From here, this person is moving towards east 12 meters and reaches point A from his shop. A person started from his shop and reaches to point A, which is 12 meters towards east. Then, now he turns in the north direction and walked for 9 meters. 9 meters. And to reach point B. And from this point B, he moves in the southwest direction for 15. Southwest and south and west southwest. And southwest, what is the distance we have? And the distance is 15 meters. And southwest, now he turns in the northwest and walks 9 meters from this point in southwest to 15. Now 15 meters, this is south and this is west. 12 plus 3, some more, 15. Okay? And 15 meters. Now towards south. From this point, he moves in the southwest direction for 15 meters and 15 meters southwest direction. Maybe in this pattern, or what is the other thing we have? Ilagane teesukochu kada manaki southwest, and there are two different possibilities. Then southwest ila teeskunte manaki em vastundi cheppandi, this will be something, idi 12 and 9 ayindi. 12 and 9 aithe idi enta avvali? 144 plus 81, that is 225. 225 means this is how much? 15. Saripinda? Means ala chustunaru. 144 plus 81. Now what is the hypotenuse we have? And 225. 225 is nothing but 15. Now this person has traveled how many meters? 15 అన్నాడు. అవునా కదా? As this person has traveled for 15 meters, exactly he reached to the shop once again. మళ్ళీ షాప్ దగ్గరకు వచ్చేసాడు. అవునా కదా? And this person has reached to this shop 15. Then now he moves towards south direction for 5 minutes. ఇక్కడ నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ మళ్ళీ ఎంత వచ్చాడు చెప్పండి? 5 meters. Then now he turns left and walked for 12 meters. ఇక్కడ నుంచి again left hand side 12 meters to reach point C. And C is in which direction with respect to B? B దగ్గర నుంచి చూస్తే C ఏ డైరెక్షన్ ఉంది? South. South, that is choice to question number 45. సరిపోయిందా? 45, it is choice 2. The next one, question number 46. And 46. చేశారా 46? No. Pink means yellow, green. What is the color of sky? Sky is blue in color. Hence blue is red. సరిపోయిందా? రెడ్ సరిపోయిందా? మీరు క్వశ్చన్ దేంతో ఇచ్చాడు? ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఇచ్చాడా? మీన్స్ ఇచ్చాడా? ఈజ్ కాల్డా మీన్సా? మీన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ అయితే రెడ్ అవుతుంది, మీన్స్ అయితే ఏమవుతుంది? వెనకది అవుతుంది. వైట్ ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్, చాయిస్ 1. క్లియర్? వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్? 46. ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ మీన్స్ గో టు ద నెక్స్ట్ వన్. మీన్స్ మీన్స్ వన్ స్టెప్ బ్యాక్వర్డ్స్, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? మా ప్రతి క్లాస్లోనే మనం డిస్కస్ చేసేది. అందుకే నేను ఇప్పుడు రెడ్ అంటే మీరు రెడ్ అనేసారు. మీరు డెఫినెట్గా వన్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ బి ఆఫ్ దిస్ మోడల్ విల్ బి గివెన్. మేబీ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ ఆర్ మేబీ మీన్. రెండు పక్క పక్కన ఇస్తే మీరు డిఫరెన్స్ ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తున్నారు. ఇలా మనం సడన్గా మీన్స్ వచ్చే టైంకి మీరు రెడ్ వేసేస్తున్నారు మళ్ళీ ఈజ్ కాల్. అండ్ ఈజ్ కాల్ మీన్స్ కోడింగ్, మీన్స్ స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ డీ కోడింగ్. దెన్ వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ జనరల్ ఆన్సర్? వాట్ ఈజ్ ద కలర్ ఆఫ్ స్కై? మా స్కై ఏ కలర్లో ఉంటుంది? బ్లూ ఇన్ కలర్. యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ బ్లూ ఇన్ కలర్, ఇఫ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్, దెన్ బ్లూ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ అంటాడు, అప్పుడు రెడ్ అవుతుంది. అండ్ మీన్స్ అంటే విచ్ మీన్స్ బ్లూ? వైట్ మీన్స్ బ్లూ అన్నాడు. హెన్స్ వైట్ విల్ బి యువర్ ఆన్సర్. క్లియర్? అదే మీన్స్ అయితే వెనక్కి రావాలి, అండ్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ అంటే ముందుకు వెళ్ళాలి. Done with this? And so your answer is white rather than red. 46, choice 1. Then coming to 47. Now 47 Japan. What is your answer in this 47? And 47. Now in this question number 47. And select the option that will replace the question mark. In the any letters one Japan 2. Then to this one 3. One more is added. Next 4. Next one more should be added. In all together we need to have 5 elements. Now 5 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, isn't it? And again here also there are 5. Then what will be your answer? Now Japan answer emotundi. Then third option. Deeniki now we are adding to the right hand side. Avuna kadam? Right hand side. Ikka next time అయిపోయింది. Now to this element we are adding here. That means the elements are, the lines are adding towards right hand side. Hence towards right hand side, choice 3, question number 47. Then coming to this 48, and English dictionary are the meaningful order. Sorry, English dictionary. Then starting with what? What should be the first one? AB, AB, yes, ST, RA. Hence second one will be at the first place. And after this second one, ABS, TR. Next in all Japan, ABS, TRU. That is 2, 4. Now 2 and 4. Among the given choices, 2 and 4 are there in this. Next one in all Japan, 2, 4, then ABSU 5, that is choice 2 is the answer 48. Then coming to question number 49. In a certain code language, the word sharp, coding and decoding, and sharp is coded as LOATN, LOATN. Ma cheppandi ela vastundi LOATN? Yes, any answer to this one? No, S and O, and S minus 4 is how much? O minus 4. And H plus 4 is what? L. Saripinda ledam? Middle letter remained as it is. And R minus 4 is N. P plus 4 is T. First and the second letters minus plus 4 minus 4, then they were reversed. Again last two letters plus 4 minus 4 reversed. Middle letter remained as it is. Then similarly, now we need to find out the code to the word vapid. Now v plus 4. V plus 4 ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? 22 plus 4. That is, then how will vapid be coded? Then S minus 4 కదా ఇక్కడ. 19 and 15 means 19 minus 4. 19 minus 4 is O and plus 4. And here R minus 4 and plus 4. And similarly to this vapid. Now V minus 4 R. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And A plus 4 is so much E. Hence ER. P remained as it is. I minus 4 is E. D plus 4 is what? H. ER PHE. ER PHE, choice 3, question number 49. Then finally 50. Now in this 50, 1975, 67, 40 and so on. Then what is the difference here? Now 1975, 1967, the difference between these two is so much? Minus 8. Here the difference is 8. 67 and 40, 27. And 40 and 76. And the difference? 40 and 76 means 64. And they get minus 6. What are these numbers? 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. Next 5 cube. Next 6 cube. 216 must be subtracted. 17 minus 2 is so much? 15. And 51 minus 16. And those that is 30. Hence, what is your answer here? 35, 15, 35. That is choice 1, question number 50. Now from each of these numbers, cubes are subtracted. 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube and 6 cube. Then, now this is about paper number 47, reasoning section, question numbers 26 to 50. Any doubts in these 25 questions? And next is quant. Okay.